This is the air permeability tester to measure the amount of air flow through a fabric or any textile material. This displays for the differential pressure, that is the pressure difference between the fabric upper and lower portion of the fabric. The display shows the permeation rate or volume, that is the rate of flow of the air through a fabric, and the display shows the nozzle diameter. These are the different nozzles having different diameters. 3 cm square. This is 70 cm square test area for American standard. This is the lower one and this is the upper one. Now to perform the test in ISO standard, I have fixed the 20 cm square upper clamp on the upper jaw. This rubber material stops the air leakage from the side walls. So first we put this rubber on this lower clamp. Now put this plate, then the sample to be tested. The sample may be of different size, or it may be 25 by 25 centimeter. Now put the clamp to fix the sample tightly with the lower jaw. Then by moving the rod downward, we tightly fix the upper clamp with the lower clamp. First switch on the instrument. To perform the test according to ISO standard, we have to set the differential pressure to 100. We have to set the area 20 cm square and the nozzle diameter according to the sample. Now press the setting button. It is 110 and we have to set it to 100 Pascal. By this button we can lower the pressure from 110 to 100. Now it becomes 100. Now press setting. Now it's set to 100. It is now 100 cm square. We have to make it 20 cm square. By lowering this, now it is 20 cm square. By pressing the setting button, we set the area to 20 cm square. Now the nozzle diameter is 4 cm. Now pressing the button setting, we set all the data and to perform the test, we press the warp. When the set pressure and the current pressure becomes equivalent, then the pressure rate determination. This reading shows the air permeation rate, that is 204.98 mm per second, and this shows time of testing, that means it is tested for first time. And to test for second time, please up the clamp, change the position of the fabric or sample. Press again the warp button to start the test. This shows the second time reading result, that is 229.9 mm per second. The second time test. Similarly, we perform the test for third time by pressing the warp button. This is the third reading of air percolation rate. We can see all the results by pressing the up down button. This is the second reading and this is the first reading. And to get the result, we can press the print button. Report. This is the second sample. Now we put the second sample in its position. Clamp the fabric. Clamp down the upper jaw. Now we have to press the setting to make all the button in normal form. The differential pressure is 100. The permeation area is 20 cm square. Now the nozzle diameter is 4. Now this shows that all are set. Now to perform the testing, we have to press the work button. The error shows that the nozzle diameter should be down. That means it is set 4.0 diameter and we have to make it. Remove it gently without any jerk. You can find the nozzle clamped. Now we have to remove this nozzle to fix another nozzle of less diameter. This is the nozzle having dia 4 mm. By pressing the setting button, we can set it. Now we make it near to 0.8 mm dia. I have kept the 0.8 dia inside this instrument. Now start the test. This reading shows the 2.2 mm per second speed of the airflow, and so we can conclude that for this type of sample we need 0.8 mm dia nozzle.